Welcome back to yet another episode of Behind the Brochures with me, Sanjana, and today we are going to talk about this project, which is GHR Callisto. This project's name is Callisto and the builders are GHR. Now let's talk about the developer. GHR Callisto is a premium project and it is developed by GHR Infra. I have the brochure with me right now and I will be putting the brochures for you on the screen. GHR is a very reputed name, as we all know, and it is known for its quality. This project is located in Kollur, Tellapur. Kollur, Tellapur right now is rapidly growing. The number of projects that are actually coming up in that area is unbelievable. It's near to Kokapet. It is towards the west side of Hyderabad. We are talking about the project Callisto, and this project is built in 8.3 acres and it has 4 towers, 11 wings. It has a cellar with 33 floors. Now that's another high rise. Now talking about the nearby landmarks and hotspots. Talking about schools, they have Delhi Public School, Samashti International School. They have hospitals like Citizens Hospital, Continental Hospital. They have tech zones like it's very near to tech zones like Financial District, Gachibowli and High Tech City. And the other things that are pretty close by are obviously the ORR access, which makes it so much better for travel. It's near to Tellapur MMTS and upcoming metro station. Now talking about connectivity, it's just 2 minutes from ORR, it's 10 to 15 minutes from Gachibowli and Financial District. It's 20 minutes from High Tech City and it has smooth public transport. The project is under construction and construction is pretty smooth and is steady right now. We are expecting the possession from December 2025 with some units extending to early 2026. Now let's talk about the unit types and sizes. They have 2 BHKs to 4 BHKs starting from 1,195 square feet to 3,585 square feet. Coming down to the basic amenities, they have a clubhouse of 50,000 square feet, half Olympic size swimming pool. They have indoor sports, gym, yoga and meditation zones. They have kids play areas, amphitheater, party lawn. Now these were the basic amenities. Let's talk about their unique amenities. They have smart home automation in all units. Can you believe it? You get a project with smart home automations already there for you. And they are IGBC Gold pre-certified green buildings. They have EV charging stations, business lounge, co-working spaces, creche and whatnot. This project is again a luxurious 33 floors project. They have their unique amenities and basically all the amenities are covered. It's a complete city in its own. And they also have central courtyards, they have mini golf, organic waste management. Now let's talk about the builder's track record. GHR Infra in Hyderabad has a very good reputation. Their construction and infrastructure is eco-consciously made, which means they do care about the environment and the amenities are unbelievable. So, would I recommend this project? I would absolutely recommend this project. For people who are looking to invest, the appreciation is going to be at least 15 to 20%, and for end-use people, your home is going to be extremely luxurious and the amenities are unbelievable. What makes this project a solid 9 out of 10? So why wait? Go get your brochures and check this project. The brochures are available online as well. Now, this was about GHR Callisto. I'm going to come with more such projects. Until then, bye-bye.